What if I told you the ground beneath your feet is hiding a burning secret? Why does the earth shake during earthquakes? Where does lava really come from? And what's happening thousands of kilometers below us right now? To understand all of this, we must travel inside the earth. The earth is not solid, it is layered. The crust is the earth's thin skin. Let's start at the top. The crust is the outermost layer of the earth. It's where we live, walk, and build cities. But there is the surprise. The crust is very thin, only 5 to 70 kilometers thick, thinner than the skin of an apple. There are two types. Continental crust is land, and the oceanic crust is the ocean floor. This layer is broken into tectonic plates. When they move, earthquakes happen. The mantle, the engine of the planet. Below the crust lies the mantle. This is the largest layer of the earth, about 2900 kilometers thick, made of hot semi molten rock. The mantle is not fully liquid, it moves slowly like thick paste. This movement pushes tectonic plates, creates volcanoes, shapes continents. The mantle is the engine that powers Earth's activity. The third layer is the core, Earth's fiery heart. Now the deepest layer, the core. It's incredibly hot, hotter than the surface of the sun. The core has two parts. Outer core, liquid iron and nickel, creates the Earth's magnetic field, protect us from harmful solar radiation. Inner core, that is made up of solid iron, extreme pressure keeps it solid. Its temperature is over 500,000 centigrade. Without the core, Earth would be lifeless. Why these layers matters? These layers explain earthquakes, volcanoes, mountains, magnetic fields, even life itself. The earth is alive and its layers are always moving. If you enjoyed this journey inside the earth, like the video, share it with a curious mind, and subscribe for more earth and science stories. Because the more we understand our planet, the more we respect its power.